In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically back up all your n8n workflows to Google Drive. We're building a reliable, hands-off backup system that protects your automations from accidental deletion or server issues. Once set up, it runs on its own, converts each workflow to a JSON file, and keeps Google Drive up to date whenever something changes. We start with a schedule trigger. This is the heartbeat of the automation. Set it to run once per day so the backup checks in regularly without you lifting a finger. You can adjust the time to match your maintenance window and make sure your server's time zone is correct so it runs when you expect. Next, we retrieve workflows from n8n using the n8n node. In this setup, there are two nodes, one for each host, such as get n8n host 1 and get n8n host 2. That means you can protect multiple instances or servers in one pass. Each call pulls essential details like the workflow name, its unique ID, the last update time, and whether it's archived. Make sure the node has permission to read workflows across your instances. With the data in hand, we prepare it using aggregate and set. Aggregate brings everything together into a single, tidy dataset, which makes downstream logic simpler and faster. Then set defines your backup settings, including the target Google Drive folder ID and any workflow metadata you want to preserve. Treat the folder ID as configuration so you can change destinations without editing your logic later. Now it's time to create the files. Convert to file turns each workflow into a JSON document. Use a clear naming convention that combines the workflow name and ID, for example, my workflow 23 JSON. That way, even if names change, the ID guarantees uniqueness and makes restoration straightforward. Before uploading, we check what already exists. Using Google Drive together with filter and merge, the workflow lists files in the target folder and compares them to the current n8n dataset. By matching on the workflow ID and last update time, it confidently decides whether a file is new, unchanged, or needs an update. Finally, we write the backups. If a workflow isn't in Drive, Google Drive Upload creates a new JSON file. If it's already there but the workflow has been updated, Google Drive Update replaces the existing file with the latest version. The result is a synchronized, version-aware backup folder you can trust. That's the entire pipeline. Schedule, fetch, prepare, convert, compare, and upload or update. Run a test once to confirm access, then let it safeguard your automations every day.